morning to... The Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institute has today decided to award the 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine to Yoshinori Ohsumi for his discoveries on mechanisms for autophagy.
Of many human diseases. Autophagy allows our body to cope with starvation and with other types of stress. By capturing invading viruses and bacteria, autophagy is essential for the body defense against infection. Phagosomes in the vacuole, by making starved cells one of the most intensely studied topics of biomedical research. Thanks to the work of Yoshinori Ohsumi,
He seemed surprised. The first thing he said was, I think he was actually not maybe expecting this, and he was surprised, but very pleased, and asked if he was allowed to leave the building. And of course, I explained that he would expect a lot of phone calls, and I think he was very, very pleased. So it was very nice to talk to him.
Jag hör hur du tycker min färgtemperatur ser ut också.
The breakthrough was that the process actually on the morphological level of autophagy was observed already in the 50s, and it was described as a phenomenon actually in the 60s. But nothing was really understood on how it really was done or the physiological implications. So what Yoshinori Ohsumi did was that he actually unraveled which are the components that actually perform this whole process, and having those components at hand that were also important tools to actually then unravel the physiological function and do functional experiments to understand how important it was for different types of processes in the body. It has not been damaged, and we have a process of selecting OVRDs that in many aspects of aging and diseases associated with aging, like Alzheimer and Parkinson's, and also type 2 diabetes, we know that there is sort of a deficiency also in autophagy. So we think that there might be in the long run also important implications in certain instances to activate autophagy where it is sort of advantageous to have it. But there are also other instances, for example, in the growth of established cancers, where it seems to be beneficial to inhibit autophagy. And there are now over 40 to 50 clinical trials actually ongoing internationally to actually test different inhibitors or activators of autophagy.